Wait, okay, so tell us what Calvin has brought.
What?
Okay, so
This is gonna be like a freaking Australian actor.
out in what is an Australian accent?
Calvin.
Oi!
Yeah.
Mate, I'm 80. I'm 80.
Calvin
Here,
has
I'll
brought-
just search it up and see if I can search anything. What?
Lean was wrong, I do it.
Calvin has brought the temperature raiser.
the temperature raiser.
Oh my
Alright.
Alright, looks like I can search stuff up.
Oh. Oh. What are you gonna search?
I don't know.
Any requests? Any requests?
Super Mario rap.
I don't even know what you're talking about. but okay.
Search it up, man.
I'd never heard of this.
What's the maximum on this? We need to know.
What?
What is the maximum?
What do you mean?
Maximum
Obviously,
volume.
sir.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Which one is it? Alright, let's see if this works.
Okay.
Nope.
Oh.
It's not it. Is it?
No,
It was.
It's actually controlled by this because I have the cord.
yeah, that's.
Oh, first I was like, that.
It's the dream.
Go, wait, swag out on the floor, nay, real quick, hit that elbow and get that Super Mario. Lean with the back of the brick, go, wait. Lean with the rock with the whip, go, wait, swag out on the floor, nay, real quick, hit that elbow and get that Super Mario. Lean with the rock with the whip, go, wait, swag out on the floor, nay, real quick, hit that elbow and
I wish I could move on. I would've.
I can't remember what that was from.
What should we play? N-word. Play nigga.
Oh yeah.
Blast it.
Yo, blast that while riding the bike and just be like. Nigga.
No.
100%.
Do it.
I don't even know what it's called.
It's called nigga rap.
Gangsta rap, nigga. Nigga.
Look at that.
Okay. I'm not signed into any YouTube account. This is good.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I really wanted to watch that guy.
What? Oh my god.
Look at that.
I'm 100% nigga. Nigga.
We could make a music video.
Come on.
Cop
So,
sirens.
tell us what just happened. Unfortunately, I did not cut it on camera. I mean, it would have been weird filming that lady anyways.
So,
Let's hear. So we were playing the nigga rap.
blasting it through that.
Yes, do that. And then this lady with two black dogs comes around the corner and we're like, oh, we're gonna be racist to the dogs, so we gotta turn this up.
All dogs are equal. They taste very good. They all taste very good. I'm being racist.
Get him, Kel. Oh, he gave up. Okay, finish the lyrics. I can travel across the land.
Oh god, I know that. I remember that show.
I can travel across the land.
Searching far and wide. Dun 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 dun. Time is mine.
I don't know.
No, his turn. No, his turn.
I really don't know what you guys are talking about. I really don't know what you guys are talking about. Like, it sounds like I do not have a childhood if I do not know what you guys...
Play the video for him.
What video?
I can travel across the land, searching far and wide.
Oh.
He doesn't know what it is. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh.
I don't know what...
Oh my gosh. Watch the video.
This is just literally just a Pokemon theme.
Yeah. That's what we were...
What? I don't want it.
Oh shit, I messed
Instead of saying Pokemon, you should replace it with a group of people. Now I remember what this is. What?
What is it this time? Where are you gonna blast through the AUX cord this time?
Like, I can't wait for.
Oh my god!
Am I hearing like a crap load of hit markers? Yeah, and I think my phone just died. Like the music was so much for it, it just died. It quit,
Yeah,
it
that
quit on
happens.
live. It quit, my phone quit on live because
Guys.
the music was so good, it died. Like I had a heart attack in the middle of the club. That's what I have in fucking. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, you're right. My whole battery is drained. My whole oh my, that thing is
What do you have to say to Koba's fondue party?
Fondue, more like fondue.
Dude, are they looking at us?
Really, nigga? What are you doing?
Oh my god, I really so stupid.
Smoke weed every day.